Thanks for stopping by Rusty Nuts Garage and the Things I Do. I am building a cigar box guitar and need to cut frets on the fretboard, so I ordered a CBG laser cut miter box from cbgitty. Parts are laser cut and I am amazed at the accuracy of the fit. The instructions say to lightly glue and clamp the sides into the base with the letters pointed outwards, making sure that the sides are perpendicular to the base. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video.